Now Team Tripura will present the presentation on the features, nature, character and background of Tripura.
A very good morning to all, respected sir and my dear friends. Today we are from Team Tripura and we have 3 members, and the one member did not present today just because of his personal reason. So we are going to present Tripura in a very short, because we have very short time, so we will not take much time to elaborate everything. So for that, first of all, I introduce with my country what we are going to present in this topic. First of all, we will present the motivation. Why should we make this presentation, and what is the need actually? Because we have many other platforms also, but why you gave us this kind of topic on this? And second is the historical aspect and geographical aspect, economical, how the economy is running in Tripura, and lastly that's education system. And after that we will conclude our presentation. Now I would like to give a chance to my friend Gopal to give an overview idea of Tripura about historical and geography.
Good morning to all of you, respected sir and my dear friends.
Be silent in the class.
This article is about the Indian state of Tripura. Tripura is a state in northeastern India. The third smallest state of the capital. It covers 10,491 kilometers. To 4,051 square meters, and it is bordered by Bangladesh to north, south, and the west, and the Indian states of Assam and Mizoram to the east. In 2011, the state had 32 lakh 31. Residents constitution 0.3% of the country's population. Tripura Governor Ramesh Kes and Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev. Geography. Tripura is the third smallest state of the country after Goa and Sikkim geographically. It is landmark in the northeastern part of India due to its location tropically. People experience tropical several climates conditions in Tripura. It lies in the difficult region of the country, roughly the year.
Okay, my friend, give an overview idea of historical and geographical aspect. Now I am going to want to proceed to the economical, how economics run in Tripura. First of all, the major sector of economic of Tripura is farming. There is a 75% of people are engaged in primary sector, and rest are from secondary and tertiary. 2.5 lakh hectares of land are covered for a farming area if we measure the area in Tripura, and the major cultivated crops are paddy and bajra. And the total GDP of Tripura, which is come from a primary sector, is 0.53 lakh crore. And there are some famous places also in this Tripura. It is famous for toy train, because we found toy train Darjeeling, just like we can found in Tripura. Though is a hilly area, we all know that North is famous for its hill. But if we visit to Tripura, we did not find too much like Sikkim and other like Assam. We can see all the features, geographical features, like we can find a plateau, not plateau, but plain area, and also some kind of hill area, and also we found some plateaus also there. That's a totally biodiversity we found in Tripura. That due to the plain area, government also established the train connection that is for transportation, and we can find a train from NGP that will connect. That is, and Siliguri is also chicken neck. That means it will connect all the India from the northeast. We can go anywhere in northeast through the train from we can find from Siliguri. And also there are some costume. That's a major costume. In the traditional costume for a man is Riku Gamcha. That's for a towel, if you see in English. And Kuwai is a kind of shirt which is worn by a man. And for female there is Rinai. Rinai is a cloth for the female, just like in our northern India we used to, female we used to wear the sari, just like that. Now I want to focus on education system, how education system is going in Tripura. Education system in Tripura is very good because the system, whenever we want to calculate how much area is progressive in education system, first of all we should focus how much girls are educated in that area. For that we have very good literacy rate for a female. That is a 83.14% according to 2011 census. From this data we can see the literacy rate of Tripura is very good as compared to other areas like Bihar, UP. And there are some good university also. There are 3 engineering colleges: Tripura Institute of Technology and Techno India, and one is National Institute of Technology. That's my personal visit there when the company OnePlus came. I went to there for an interview. For that reason, I personally visited and also saw the education system there. Very good infrastructure. Not only by not from only from outside, but also from interior. They manage very good. The teacher, we can find a very good teacher also, and the mentor whoever working in their system, education system. They are very they are very manageable to the student. They are very responsible actually. That's why the literacy rate are very good in Tripura. And also the political system is very good. That's why the literacy rate is increased there. And there are some 2 medical colleges of our college in Tripura. One is Agartala Medical College and another is Tripura Medical College. Now I want to give us some brief idea about art and culture about. Now I want to give us some idea about the population composition in Tripura. The mainly population of Tripura is consist of SC. That's a term designated those class that have traditionally occupied low position in our Indian society. And this is given by our Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar for a reservation so that they can also improve their life standards. And Tripura considering more than half the tribal community. Other prominent tribal groups include the Reng, the Chakma, the Haram. Is a subgroup of that tribal area we can found in the Tripura. And also cultural life. Most of the population are adhering Hinduism and speak Bengali. The reason behind this is because the Bangladesh and West Bengal is very nearby to Tripura. That's why you can see the many culture and tradition which is followed in Bengal is also followed in the Tripura area. And also climate is very hot there. In winter also, in November time also we can find the temperature about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. When I visited last year, I saw this kind of thing. And lastly, I would like to conclude with my presentation. That must only be prepared.
Only few lines. This is not the way.
You are unable to. That's fine.
You could have said many things. Okay, conclude.
Okay. So my conclusion is, since you get a very good opportunity to know about this state, that North state, that's a very good. Actually, it's a very good state, but most of the people do not know the culture heritage of this North state, because even the people of many areas could not find, because they do not even know the North is a part of our India. Just like Kohima. In KBC also, Amitabh Bachchan, when asked the question about Kohima, even the contestants do not know that Kohima is a part of our India. They directly say it is a part of China. That's a very bad actually. That's why we prepare a lot in our Northeastern, so that we can give you an idea about this kind of the culture which is followed in Tripura. And also we learn many things. Before doing this presentation, we do not have an idea about what are the heritage, culture, education system, political system of this area. So that's all, sir.
Don't clap. Okay, I would like to ask you questions from Tripura. So from Tripura, what are the things that can be implemented in the northern parts of India?
From Tripura, just like culture, like education. In terms of education, if we can implement the education system like Tripura in other states like Bihar, we can educate the girls also, because the policy they given to girls and boys are same as compared to in Bihar or in UP or other states. That's why the literacy rate is very high. If we implement the education system or many like political system, that will give emphasis on education, that will give a means more development to the other area.
Okay, come here. You tell me the neighboring state of Tripura. Neighboring state of Tripura. Tripura shares boundary with number of Indian states. Tell me about that. It's very simple question. You can give the answer with the help of map also. You can comprehend my word. Indian states. Are you sure Meghalaya? Are you sure Manipur? Tripura share boundaries with Assam and Mizoram, not Manipur, not Meghalaya.
You asked the
Neighboring state.
Yeah, but
What does it mean neighboring state? It must be touched.
you are not saying the sharing bonds.
Neighboring state means sharing. It's understood.
That's why you say.
Very bad. Got it.